The moon on July 18th. During the brightening morning twilight skies, the moon passes in front of southern and eastern parts of the Pleiades. In addition, Alcyone will undergo a so-called grazing occultation, where the star seems to skim along the moon's northern edge and may disappear and reappear at times as it is briefly hidden behind lunar mountains. As with all such grazes, the event will only be observable along a very narrow track, which in this case is from Land's End in Cornwall, heading northeastward south of Port Talbot and passing Stafford and Sheffield to the Yorkshire coast between Bridlington and Filey. South of the track Alcyone will be completely occulted, while to the north it will miss the moon. Venus is a blazing morning star in the east-northeastern sky very close to the Hyades open cluster in Taurus. It sports a gibbous phase, reaching 73% illuminated by the end of July with its disk shrinking to 15 arcseconds. Its western elongation from the Sun is decreasing, but it does haul itself slightly higher above the horizon during the fortnight, but only around 12 degrees at best as skies lighten around 4 a.m. at the end of July. On July 27th Venus passes within half a degree of the Crab Nebula M1. Mars is a morning object shining at Mag 1.1 and passes close to the Hyades at the end of July. Jupiter is making its stunning presence felt earlier in the evening as the fortnight progresses, on its way to opposition in August. On July 15th it rises at 10:30 p.m. and culminates in the darkish sky at 3:24 a.m., just after the start of nautical twilight sun between 6 and 12 degrees below the horizon. It blazes away at magnitude -2.8 and shows a 47.3 arcsecond disk through a telescope. Unfortunately, Jupiter resides in lowly Capricornus, never getting higher than 25 degrees above the southern horizon. Still, it's a better situation than in 2008. By the end of July, the gas giant has brightened to -2.84 and swelled to 48.5 arcseconds in size. It rises at 9:20 p.m. and culminates just after 2 a.m. Neptune is still close by, and it would be a shame not to nudge your scope to center it in the eyepiece. The 4 Galilean satellites provide a never-ending source of observing opportunities for binocular through to large-scope observers. There are 3 mutual events this fortnight. Perseids activity from the Perseids meteor shower starts on July 17th, with predicted maximum occurring next month. Comet 2006 W3 Christensen heads south through the extreme southeast quadrant of Cygnus, passing into Vulpecula by July 31st. Current reports have it at Mag +8.5 and brightening. Thanks for listening to this quick guide of what to see in the night sky during July. I am Mr. Astromags. Have a good night.